Hello, welcome to the Random Car channel. Today we're going to be doing a service B on a 2016 Mercedes Benz GLA45. As you can see, my car is due for a service B and I have just a little under 40,000 miles on my car. This is a 2016, right now it's 2020, so this car is about 4 years old. So this car for service B, there's a long list of items that needs to be done on this car. Most of it is just checking on things and not really doing much. And the few key items where you have to do something, it's like a oil change. We'll go down this list and see what needs to be changed and what just needs to be checked. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, step 1, read out the service data from the instrument cluster and reset the Assist Plus. Okay, yeah, I'll save the reset until I'm done with the whole service, so we'll just at least read out the data. Okay, Assist Plus says do the service B, and that's it. Next, check warning and function indicator lamps and instrument cluster. Check. Check illumination of instrument cluster. Check. Check horn for correct function. Next, check the headlights. Check if the lights in the trunk work. Check. Check if the windshield washer system works. Check. Check vehicle exterior for damage. Check. Check windshield for damage. Windshield check. Check wiper blades. Wiper blades are there. Alright, something real. Engine, oil, and filter change. Engine oil changed. Check. Alright, next, check the brake system and brake fluid level. Okay, so here's the brake fluid reservoir. There's fluid in there, but it is a little bit low looking. I'll just add a little bit more. Check coolant level. Do not open when hot. Check. Don't forget to check the secret coolant reservoir under the engine cover. Check. Check tire treads. Check. 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 And check. Check brake pads and linings. Check. 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 Kind of low. Okay, so my rear pads are low. I'll worry about that some other time. Let's go down the list some more. Next is visually check the brake discs. Check. 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 Next is tire inflation. Check. 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 Alright, no spare tire to check. Check tire sealant. It's expired. Check. Activate TPMS. Check. It might work. Check the first aid kit. Do bandages ready to expire? Check. Okay, on to service A. The GLA column has nothing here. Check parking brake function test only. It might work. Check. GLA. Check exterior lights for correct function. Already checked the headlights. Good enough. Check windshield wiper. Already checked. Next. Replace activated charcoal dust filter. Replaced with new filter. Check. Next is low temperature circuit. Check coolant level. We already checked that, so I'll check. Check all visible parts in the engine compartment for damage and leaks. No damage, no leaks. Check. Next, check the poly V-belt. Packaged so tight that it's impossible to check. Check. Poly belt, check. Check all visible components on the underside for leaks and damages. Underside of the car, no leaks, not too much damage. Check. Check tires for damage and cracks. Tires already checked. Check. Check condition of steering system. Steering component. Check. Steering component. Check. Check rear axle and rear axle ball joints. Rear axle center back there. Rear axle. Rear axle. Check. 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 Yeah. And always observe applicable additional blah blah blah. Next, let's go down this list. So at every service, I gotta change the air filter. Forgot to buy a new air filter, not checked. Check driving aids. Probably works. Check. Every 2 years, replace brake fluid. Lead the brakes. Check. Alright, going down some more. 30,000 miles, already did all that. Moving on. 40,000 miles. Spark plugs. Spark plug changed. Check. Okay, so that was the Service B laundry list of items. Last thing that needs to be done is resetting the service light. Hit the ignition button. And then press the phone button. Then press the OK button. Hold it down. Alright. So push the down arrows. Go to Assist Plus. Click the OK. Okay, so go to full service. Click OK. Oh. Confirm full service. Press OK. Pick an oil grade. I think it was a 229.5, but whatever. Click OK. Service carried out. Yes. Confirm. Okay, so it says it can confirm it, but in the end, let's see, it was reset. Let's see, that one message is for my low battery. And here you go. It says it's been at the service A5 in 365 days. So I got 1 year till whatever's next. Okay, that was the Service B for the 2016 Mercedes Benz GLA45. And we're all set to go for the next round of maintenance in maybe a year from now. Although I feel like there's oil changes in between, but we'll see what the lights tell me. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and put any questions in the comment section down below. Alright, good luck on your next project.